Hello everybody, welcome to the Python Mastery course. Here you will learn Python from zero to hero. We'll start with beginner level coding and gradually progress to professional advanced Python projects. First, you need to download and install Python. This is the official Python website and you can download the Python installer from here. After downloading the file, you can find it in the folder where you saved it. And then open it and install the program. Don't forget to add Python exe to the path. This is so important. After completing the installation, you can open the Python program. I open it from the start menu. This is the Python shell or IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. This environment allows you to write and execute code line by line. Python has its own interactive prompt that starts with triple greater than sign, known as the REPL, or Read Eval Print Loop. This is known as Python Interactive Shell. You can code here. Let's code our first program. Congratulations, this was the first program we wrote using Python. The first program every programmer writes in any language is usually hello world. Let's write another simple program. Suppose A is 2 and B is 5. A is 2, B is 5. We store their summation in C and display it. C is equal to A plus B. Now you can see the sum of these two variables in the Python shell. In this section, we installed Python and wrote two simple programs using it. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey into programming with Python. See you in the upcoming episodes.